Morning. This is the Sunday option of Bragg Spring Tune-Up 2022. And most of the riders are gone, but you can see a lot of them are still around. It'll be fun to see who I catch up with and who catches up with me. Let's watch. All right, this looks like a good place to get a video shot. It's the hill. It's the one people remember who do the spring tune-up ride. And as you can hear, I'm breathing heavy. And it's a good place to take a break. Yep, we made it to Newborn. I think I caught up with some folks. Or they're catching up with me. Oh, I'm all set now. They got peanut butter. Thanks for being here this morning.
You were here again yesterday, weren't you? I was. And you were working hard yesterday.
Boy.
You're the only one out here knocking it all out.
Wow. All right, well, I'm going to try it. Well, I've been here quite a few times, but never noticed the fig tree before. It's pretty tall. No figs on it yet. But so this is our visit here. I was very thankful to reach this. I thought, yeah, I've reached my first rest stop. Now this is one way to get into Mansfield. Unfortunately, the trail turns to gravel, and the gravel is a little rough for those with narrow tires like I'm running today, so we have to switch over and use the road. Maybe one day this will be paved, or I'll be on here with fat tires. But no, I'm riding a bike with narrow tires today, as you can see. Now we're in Mansfield, here at Roosters. All right, and if you like old cars, this year there's a Chevrolet over here that goes back a few years. I'm just finding out that the cycling gloves I'm wearing make it hard to zoom my camera. A lot of towns have murals. This one's got a pretty good one too. And again, I'm using a two-handed zoom. It's about the best I can do. So now we got to go to the rest stop. It's not in downtown Mansfield. It's a little ways out. We have come the riders in. U Create riders from Macon.
Yeah, Macon Georgia. U Create Macon. Yeah.
They're rolling along pretty good. They caught me. We're proud of them, aren't we? We're real thankful they're doing as well as they're doing. All right, Coach Sharice.
All right, yeah, come on in. Snacks on me. Go ahead. You know
That's it. That's it. They got peanut butter. Yep. I'm real. Yes, right over there. All right, we'll let y'all chow down and enjoy. I don't know why they're all coming over here to look at me, but they're really moving right along. So that's probably the closest you'll get to seeing a pace line today. We're rolling along pretty good, dodging rumble strips, and hopefully encountering good motorists to give us a little bit of room. And who might that be coming along? Hey, looking sharp.
U Create Macon 2022.
All right, mighty good, excellent. And who is that following up from behind? Let's see if we can zoom in. They're riding mighty smoothly. Mighty good. Well, I hadn't had such good sound effects ever. All right, looking sharp. All right, so we'll go ahead and leave the moo cows and head on down up here and enjoy the rest of the ride. All right. All right, another sharp looking rider. Yeah, we got some great countryside to ride through here. All right. Another good pass. Yeah, we haven't had very much traffic on this road. I really like it. So, just so you know, Cooper Road is what we're near. Let's see what that says way down there. I can't tell what that says. It says church. Yeah, it's a little church right over there. It's a little Presbyterian church. All right, so let's roll on a little bit farther. See if we can get back to camp. I couldn't resist. Hey, looking good, not too much further. All right, we'll see you soon. Oh man, I messed that shot up so bad. I apologize. I hope I can redeem myself later. I've got to quit shooting with the glove on because it's not working. Okay, this time without a glove. I'm not going to goof up this shot. I'm going to wait for them to come by, I think. And this time I'll really get a smooth zoom and pan and everything. All right, here they come. All right. Yep. There we go, looking sharp. Very good. Now that's how video shot should go. Now this is the rival I had to get. Yes, indeed. Major Taylor's got to be smiling down on them. Yeah, very pleased. How you feel? Yeah, it's good.
First 28. First 28. First 28. First 28.
In a long time, right?
I'm rolling. I know. See, the first time since you ride, really.
All right. Well, congratulations.
Thank you, Kevin.
All right. We'll see. Yes, y'all did. All right. Well, let me let you put everything away, and we'll see you on another ride before too long.
Thank you. We love you, Kevin.
All right. Thanks you. Safe miles to y'all.
You took off.
All right. Bye-bye.
No, I didn't, did I? I didn't take off, did I?
All right. We'll see you next time. All right. Bye-bye.
Bye.
How's it going, y'all?
Say hey to this gentleman. Hi, how you doing?
How's it going?
It's going great.
Yeah, man, it's good to see you. It's hard to catch up with the dream team, but I finally did it.
It's not hard. Just look at any rest stop. You'll see us killing any rest stop along the way.
Yeah, I think I may hold the record for rest stop killing.
Good to see you,
Good
man.
to see you too. I'm real thankful y'all made it here, and
Yeah, man.
one day is better than no days.
We were talking about you earlier, the importance of having a sweeper.
Uh-oh, yeah, I sure did good with that.
Yeah, well,
All right,
thankful to be here.
there you go. That's good. All right, we'll see you. Y'all take care.
All right, take care.
There goes the shower trucks. He's on his way to Kentucky, so he's got a lot of driving to do. But I got to shower at the end of this ride. I was so lucky. So, that's it from here at Sunflower Farms for Bragg Spring Tune-Up 2022. It's a good ride with beautiful weather. All right, we'll see you next time.